Today is January 14th. One. This flat screen TV works right. If you take care of it properly, the image is sharp and the color is perfect. It's really convenient because you can hang it on the wall, not like those old clunky TVs that were so big and busty and took up half of the living room. The rest of light is not good for it, so you shouldn't put it near a window. To
Put it
near a window. This is a latest model of laptop computer. Feel how light it is. It is. It weighs only 1.5 kilos. It's amazing, isn't it? No, it's pretty strong, but you still need to be careful with it. It comes with a nice protect, protective case, so you should keep it inside the case when you carry it. You wouldn't want to drop it. That could be the main the, the main the screen 3. You will like this air conditioner a lot. You can adjust the temperature and the fan speed very easily using remote control. You should close all the doors and the windows when you use it. It's amazing how many people forget to do this and then wonder why it's not cooling their house. For this is the best dryer we have. It's holds up to 3 kilos, but it's not too big, so you can fit it in a small apartment. No, you should always clean the lint filter before you use it. It's very easy to clean. All you need to do is pour out the filter, empty it out, and then put in a back in again. It's really important to do it every time you use it. If you don't, the dryer might get too hot and burn your clothes. 5. This will get your dish nice and clean. It's very powerful, so you don't have to rinse anything before you wash it. That's the bad filter. No, remember you shouldn't put too much soap, soap into it. If you use too much soap, your dish will come out sticky. 6. You will enjoy using it the lawnmower. It has a big gas tank, so you can usually run it for about an hour without adding gas. You just have to be careful about one thing. You shouldn't put your hand under the machine. That blade is very sharp and you could really hurt yourself.